So guys, Praveen is from Kumudavati Residential Central School, which is in Shikaripura, which is in the Shimoga district. Okay. Tell us a little bit about your town, Praveen. Where is your town? How is your town? Tell us something about your
Yes, ma'am.
place.
It's in Shimoga district in Karnataka, you know.
Okay.
It's 40 kilometers from Shimoga.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am. It is a very beautiful town, which is near a dam and a forest, you know,
So
with the greenery and all.
okay. Now, Praveen, you sent us an article which said, I found joy in social service during the pandemic.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So, can you tell us a little bit about what kind of activities did you take part in? What are the things that made you like social service during this pandemic?
Yes, ma'am. We grouped, me and my cousins. We grouped and we cleaned the park, ma'am.
Okay.
And we saw small kids. They were playing in a unhygienic place, and we started helping them, ma'am.
Can you
We
repeat?
cleaned out the park.
Can you repeat the thing you said about small children? Because your voice is cracking a little bit, Praveen. It's not clear. So, can you repeat yourself again?
Okay, ma'am. Let me come again. We grouped, ma'am. Me and my cousins in Hubballi, ma'am, especially. We grouped and we teamed. We discussed. We planned, and we helped the kids who were playing in an unhygienic place, and that's what we did, ma'am. And I do have plans for the future, ma'am, on social service.
Okay.
And that's what I helped them.
So basically, you help clean out a park where kids can play.
Yeah, ma'am.
You know,
they can play in a hygienic place.
In a more hygienic place. Why did you think of doing this, Praveen? What made you want to sort of clean the park? Did somebody tell you to do it, or was it something you did on your own?
That's something I did on my own, ma'am. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in service of others. I believe in these words, ma'am, said by Mahatma Gandhi. And I couldn't believe, but when I experienced that, then I started believing in the social service and all, ma'am. That's when I did.
So tell us, where did you hear this saying of Mahatma Gandhi? Who taught you this?
I mean, I saw this somewhere, ma'am. I heard this about in a book, ma'am.
You read it in a book? And how old were you when you heard this, or when you learned about how important it is to?
I was 13. If I'm 13? Correct, I was 13, ma'am.
You were 13 years old.
I was 13, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell us when you first saw this quote, because it's nice to see somebody. How old are you, Praveen?
I'm 15, ma'am.
You're 15. So about 2 years ago, you were introduced to this quote, right? So what was the first thought that came in your mind when you read it? Because you were still a young boy.
I said, ma'am, I couldn't believe that. At the first time I read that, I couldn't believe about that, ma'am. I just neglected it. I just read it as a quote or line, something. I didn't believe it, ma'am. Then after I just to try, just to help, we cleaned that park, ma'am. Then I could actually believe. I believed that, ma'am.
Okay, so after you cleaned the park, you started believing in this quote. So when you cleaned the park,
yes,
okay, how did you feel? What was the? Why did you start believing in this quote after you cleaned the park? What did you feel?
Yes, ma'am. I felt overwhelming, ma'am. I felt the joy after doing that, ma'am. We were appreciated. I felt proud of myself, ma'am. I felt proud of myself, and I also feel thankful towards my parents, ma'am, because they helped a lot. And that's it, ma'am.
How did your parents help you?
They just supported, ma'am, for all what I did, ma'am.
Okay, so tell us, how did this thing start? I mean, did you tell your friends that, chalo, let's go clean the park? Or did you do it alone? You said you did it with your cousins, right? So how did you guys plan to go about this?
Ma'am, we were just playing cricket, ma'am. We saw those guys coming, those small kids coming to us, and they were also asking us to join and play. So we couldn't do that, and we saw their park had become a sponge bin, and we saw that the nearby people were throwing trash in that park, and we collected the dustbins from dustbins, and we collected all the leaves. We threw it in the dustbin and all, ma'am.
Okay, so you
That's what
basically
we did.
got together, got all your dustbins in place, and you cleaned the
Yeah.
whole park. So now, do a
We
lot of
threw it.
children play there?
Yes, ma'am. They play in that park, ma'am.
So how do you make sure that it does not get dirty again? Will you keep cleaning it, or do you tell others,
Yes, ma'am. We told others to not to throw trash in that park again, ma'am.
So what if somebody does? How do you make sure they don't?
Sorry, ma'am.
How
Can
do
you
you
come
make
back
sure
again?
that, so do people listen to you? How do you make sure that your park stays clean?
I'll make sure. I had told them, ma'am, the nearby people, ma'am. They are older and they can understand the problem of their children, their own children, ma'am. They should play in a hygienic place. They should be healthy and all, ma'am.
Okay. So you did this as part of pandemic because you had some free time, right? In the pandemic, all of you had a little bit of free time. Is that right?
Yeah, ma'am.
And were you worried that if I get into all this dirt and I clean it up, I'll fall sick? Did you get worried ever that maybe I'll fall sick if I?
No, ma'am. We took safety precautions, ma'am.
What
We took
precautions did
safety
you take?
precautions, and we wore a mask, gloves, and all, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you did your homework. You made sure you're also safe. That's a
Yeah,
very
ma'am.
good thing to do, Kavi. That's very good thing to do. So now tell me, do you have any more plans in the future? Anything else that you guys want to do?
Of course, ma'am. I do have plans for my future, ma'am. And I have many projects. I'm still working on it, ma'am. Science project which helps social society, ma'am, in this pandemic
Can you
days,
tell us
ma'am.
a little bit about it? Can you tell us a
Ma'am,
little bit in detail?
basically, it is I call it as PPE parasol, ma'am. Parasol is basically umbrella which helps in maintaining distance, ma'am, social distancing. That's what I'm working on it, ma'am.
It's an umbrella that helps you maintain social distancing.
Yeah, ma'am.
How?
Yes,
How is that? How does it do that?
ma'am. Umbrella is a bigger umbrella, parabola. When you hold
Okay.
it, when everybody holds it, they can keep distance from one another.
It's a very simple but innovative thought. Very
Yeah,
good.
ma'am.
And anything else that you can tell us about? You said you have many projects you have planned, right? So tell us a little bit more.
I'm still working on it, ma'am. Another is it's sensor, ma'am, but I'm still working on it, ma'am.
Okay, so your umbrella idea. Okay, how are you? Have
Yeah.
you already started working on it?
Yes, ma'am. I'm started.
So what are you
I
doing?
took my Yeah, ma'am. I took my science teacher assistance,
Hmm.
and he helped me a lot, ma'am.
Have you already made an umbrella?
No, ma'am. We are working, ma'am. How will it do? How will it solve and all?
Okay. So do you have the design and everything in place?
Yeah, ma'am.
So how is it going to work? How are you going to make it open, close? How you
Yes, ma'am.
what kind of,
As same umbrella, ma'am.
just
We
like an
use.
umbrella? Just that it's going to be
Yeah,
bigger.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And it will have some other things, ma'am, that we are planning, but I'm not sure they are gonna work. But we should.
Like what? You can share. It doesn't matter if it works or not. Tell us what you're
Ma'am,
thinking.
it has a transparent covering, outer covering, ma'am. It helps to insulate, ma'am. It
Okay.
helps to block out the virus or something.
It helps you block the
Micro.
virus out. Oh, that's interesting. That's really
Um,
interesting. So is science your favorite subject, Praveen? It looks like you're doing a lot of science-based work.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What do you like
Yes,
about
ma'am.
science?
It's my all-time favorite. Like wonders in science, ma'am.
Yeah. Why? Tell us why. What
The
is so
wonders.
great? Because a lot of us we get scared, no? Science class, science exam. Not many kids are fond
Science
of science.
we study about what we see, ma'am. Science is the study of what we see, and
Hmm.
it brings me more pleasure to study that subject, ma'am. And especially the nature, the love towards nature, the study. I love it, ma'am.
Okay. Praveen, tell us why should children take up social initiatives? Why should kids do it?
Ma'am, they must do it, ma'am, in order to, ma'am, the social justice. They should learn how to help others, how their soul should be important in the society, and that's it, ma'am. Not every kid, grown-ups also should do that, ma'am. Kids, yes, ma'am. You said kids. They should do in order to involve themselves in the work of others, ma'am.
Okay. And Praveen, since you're working on your projects, you also have your online classes, you have your exams. How do you balance everything? How do you make time for everything?
Ma'am, this is pandemic days. I have holidays. We are in home, and as you know, we get a lot of time for us, and that's how I balance, ma'am. I have classes going on in the morning. I have till leftover time in the afternoon and all, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Praveen, do you think it's important for children like you to study about these social causes in school, or do you already study about them?
Sorry, ma'am. Come back again.
So you have a lot of social initiatives that are going on, right? Do you think it's important for children to study about it in school, or are you already studying about these things?
I study, ma'am. Everybody studies, ma'am. In their subject, they get a lot of things like this, ma'am. Social service, social studies, ma'am. And these are important in order to make them involved in the work of others, ma'am. They help to inspire the young minds, ma'am.
They help inspire young minds. Okay. Are there any initiatives that your school has taken up that?
Yeah, ma'am. There are many, ma'am. We have done many rallies, ma'am, awareness programs, and science project-based activities. Infinite, ma'am, I can say infinite activities like this, and science project-based activities and all, rallies, programs, and planting activities, cleaning activities. We will have those activities in our school, ma'am.
So you would say that your school is where this interest started. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am. In my school also, and yes, ma'am.
Yeah, in your school. And have your teachers, do your teachers know that you have cleaned up this place, and what has their reaction been?
Ma'am, I did it very recently, and thereafter they knew it, ma'am. They appreciated, ma'am. They felt happy, ma'am.
That is very good, Praveen. So, Praveen, when you wrote to us, when you wrote to Hopesters, right? What made you write? Of course, your principal did tell you to submit your article. That is one thing. But when you were writing it, tell us why it's important that activities that you do come out and people should be able to read it. Why is it important that more people should read about it?
It inspires every, ma'am. It brings out more social workers, ma'am. It brings out their best in social service, ma'am. Okay. That's what I say, ma'am.
So the more the people read, the more they'll feel like doing something, right? Okay. Do you think children can inspire adults to take initiatives?
I don't think so, ma'am. Some adults can get inspired, ma'am. It depends on their thinking, ma'am.
Okay, some get inspired, some don't.
Yes.
All right. Praveen, tell us, you have any other hobbies that you are interested in?
I love painting, ma'am. I love calligraphy. And if you'd ask if you love music, I'd raise my hand, ma'am. I love music, and that's, ma'am. I love painting, ma'am. I paint daily, ma'am. I practice painting, ma'am.
So what kind of paintings do you make? Do you make like
landscape painting, ma'am.
Landscape paintings. Okay. And what is your medium? What do you use? Watercolors, oil? What do you use?
Watercolors, poster colors.
Okay. Do you have any work that you can show us right now?
I have it, ma'am. If you give me some time, just a second, I'll bring it.
Go ahead. Yes, hello, you're back. Show us.
I'm here, ma'am. I have this poster, ma'am.
You made that?
Yeah, ma'am.
Wow, even the writing was done by you?
Yes, ma'am. Calligraphy, ma'am.
This is so good, yeah, Praveen. It looks so clean. It looks almost printed. Okay, so what I want you to quickly do,
Thank you, ma'am.
okay, after this interview is please take a picture of this, okay, and
Yes, ma'am.
upload it on Hoopstars right away, because we have a section called Talent Hunt. Okay, I want people to see this. It's a very, very good poster that you've made. And
Yes, ma'am.
tell us, how did you get interested in calligraphy?
Yes, ma'am.
How did you get interested in calligraphy?
I got interest by seeing posters actually, ma'am. I saw many posters with calligraphy headlines and all, ma'am.
Okay. And where did you
Ma'am,
learn?
I also had a teacher in my school. I learned it with teacher in my school.
So a teacher
He learned us calligraphy.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, yeah, Praveen. That poster. Definitely, please send us a picture and with a small write-up. Okay, I want to share it with as many people as possible. I think that work is really good. Okay, so like I was saying, you have a lot of interest towards nature. Even your poster was about the earth, right? So how did this interest towards nature develop? Is it because you live in a place like Shikaripura?
Yes, ma'am. It is because of the place. I see the birds, animals, trees, forests, mountains, and I get an inspiration to draw, to love it, ma'am.
Okay. And if you had one message to give students who are like you, of your age, what is that one message you'd like to give them about social service?
I'd like to tell them life is either a daring adventure or it is nothing. So be dare to find yourself in the service of others. That's what I want to say.
And how would you motivate your friends to do work like you?
Ma'am, I want to tell them that how it feels after the work, ma'am. How it brings change in the society when young minds like us, when children like us do service in the society. Ma'am.
Okay. Tell us one really nice thing somebody said to you after seeing the work you had done in the park. What is the nicest thing somebody said to you?
If I remember, my friend's parents, ma'am, they told that you're like Mother Teresa and all social, the great workers, not Mother Teresa actually. Your young social service, they call me like that.
What do they call you? Can you come again?
Young social worker, they call me.
They call you a young social worker because you are. And you should be really proud of yourself. You said you felt proud when you did your work, and you should be proud of yourself. And I really hope you continue doing something like this.
Yes, ma'am, sure, I'll continue.
You will, which I'm sure you will. Okay. And whenever your design for your umbrella is ready, don't forget to share it with us.
Okay.
Okay. So first thing I want to do, Praveen, is please share your poster with us. I want to see the poster on Hoopstars because that is some amazing work you've done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, Praveen. Thank you for joining us today. And I hope to keep in touch with you. I hope to hear from you and see all the great work you're doing. Congratulations on your park. Very well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
And please convey the message to your cousins as well. I think they did a good job supporting you too.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks, Praveen. You have a good day.
Yes, thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.